Deltona Florida Awning Window Experts are your go-to professionals for all your window needs. Whether you're looking for awning window installation Deltona Florida or need Deltona Florida window installation awning, our team of Deltona window specialists is here to help. We offer a wide range of services, including Deltona Florida window replacement services and Deltona Florida window maintenance awning, ensuring your windows are always in top condition. Energy-efficient awning windows Deltona are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. Our Deltona Window Solutions awning includes a variety of energy-efficient options that not only help save on utility bills but also enhance the comfort of your home. With Deltona Florida awning window upgrades, you can enjoy the benefits of modern technology and design. Custom awning windows Deltona Florida provide a unique touch to any home. Our Deltona window contractors specialize in creating bespoke designs that match your style and preferences. From vinyl awning windows Deltona to Deltona Florida aluminum awning windows, we offer a range of materials and finishes to suit your needs. Our Deltona Florida awning window designs are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Affordable awning windows Deltona Florida are available for those on a budget. Our Deltona Florida awning window suppliers offer competitive pricing without compromising on quality. Whether you're interested in awning window features or need Deltona Florida window upgrades awning, we provide cost-effective solutions that meet your financial requirements. Awning window maintenance is crucial for the longevity of your windows. Our Deltona window maintenance services ensure that your windows remain in excellent condition year-round. Regular awning window maintenance can prevent costly installations and extend the life of your windows. Trust our Deltona Florida window specialists awning to keep your windows functioning optimally. Deltona window experts are skilled in awning window installation Deltona Florida. If you're experiencing issues with your windows, our team can quickly diagnose and fix the problem. From minor installations to major overhauls, our Deltona Florida window installation awning services are designed to restore your windows to their original condition. Don't let damaged windows affect your home's comfort and security. Awning window options in Deltona Florida are vast and varied. Our Deltona Florida awning window contractors can guide you through the selection process, helping you choose the best options for your home. Whether you're interested in traditional designs or modern innovations, our Deltona Florida awning window features cater to all tastes and preferences. Deltona window installation is a breeze with our experienced team. We handle everything from initial consultation to final installation, ensuring a seamless process. Our Deltona Florida window installation awning services are tailored to meet your specific needs, providing you with peace of mind and satisfaction. Trust our Deltona window contractors to deliver exceptional results. Deltona Florida awning window services offer a wide range of options for homeowners looking to enhance their properties. From energy-efficient awning windows Deltona to custom awning windows Deltona Florida, there are numerous choices available to suit any style or budget. Deltona window experts are well-versed in providing top-notch awning window installation Deltona Florida, ensuring that each project is completed with precision and care. Awning window installation in Deltona Florida is a popular choice for those seeking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Energy-efficient awning windows Deltona are designed to reduce energy costs while providing excellent ventilation. Deltona window specialists are skilled in installing these windows, ensuring that they are properly sealed and insulated for maximum performance. For those in need of awning window installation, Deltona, Florida, Deltona Window Services offer comprehensive solutions. Whether it's a simple fix or a more complex installation, Deltona, Florida window installation awning experts are equipped to handle any issue. Their expertise ensures that your windows are restored to their original condition, providing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Custom awning windows Deltona, Florida are a fantastic option for homeowners looking to add a unique touch to their homes. Deltona, Florida awning window designs can be tailored to fit any architectural style, offering both beauty and practicality. Deltona window contractors are experienced in creating custom solutions that meet the specific needs and preferences of each client. Vinyl awning windows Deltona and Deltona, Florida aluminum awning windows are popular choices for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Deltona Window Solutions awning experts can help you select the best material for your home, ensuring long-lasting performance and satisfaction. Affordable awning windows Deltona, Florida are available in a variety of styles and finishes, making it easy to find the perfect match for your home. Deltona, Florida window replacement services are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Deltona window upgrades, including awning window upgrades, can significantly enhance the value and comfort of your property. Deltona, Florida awning window benefits include improved energy efficiency, increased natural light, and enhanced curb appeal. Awning window maintenance is crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of your windows. Deltona, Florida window maintenance awning services provide regular inspections and upkeep to prevent potential issues. Deltona window maintenance experts are dedicated to keeping your windows in optimal condition, offering peace of mind and long-term savings. Deltona, Florida awning window suppliers offer a wide selection of high-quality products to meet the diverse needs of homeowners. From traditional to modern designs, Deltona, Florida awning window options are available to complement any home style. Deltona, Florida awning window features include advanced locking mechanisms, weather-resistant materials, and customizable finishes.